In other news, Governor Kathy Hochul announced today plans to allocate nearly $8 million from New York State's opioid settlement fund to help expand harm reduction services and reduce overdoses. The opioid crisis is not just a public health issue, it is a crisis of humanity that touches every corner of the state, Hochul said. This funding underscores our commitment to holding manufacturers and distributors accountable while ensuring effective communities have the resources and compassion needed to end this epidemic. New York will receive more than $2 billion through settlement agreements with opioid manufacturers. Some of the settlement money will be going directly to municipalities statewide, with the remainder dedicated to supporting prevention, treatment, recovery, harm reduction, and education efforts to address the ongoing opioid epidemic. The two new funding opportunities through the Opioid Settlement Fund include expanding harm reduction services for priority populations who use drugs, which will receive $7.5 million over 2 years, as well as establishing a comprehensive coroner training program in the state, which will receive $400,000 over 2 years. Applications for the harm reduction service expansion are due by October 3, 2023, and applications for the coroner training program are due by October 5, 2023. New York State Health Department Commissioner James McDonald said opioid use disorder and other drug dependencies can be challenging chronic diseases, yet they are treatable and long-term recovery is possible. In order to combat the overdose epidemic, New York State has implemented a multifaceted strategy under the direction of Governor Hochul. This funding aims to increase access to harm reduction services, including medications to treat addiction, supportive counseling, and other preventative health care services. It also includes a comprehensive training program for coroners who serve an important role in public health. New Yorkers struggling with an addiction or whose loved ones are struggling can find help and hope by calling the state's toll-free 24/7 or 24-hour 7-day-a-week Hope line at 1-8778-HOPE-NY, which is also 1-877-846-7369, or by texting HOPE-NY, short code 467369.